Okay.
Start killer.
Hi guys. So this is the third part of this session. So now, till now, what we have done is we have registered a user. We have then fetched the user here right now in the table. Now what we are going to do is we are going to accept the request or reject the request. So before doing this, we need two more tables to show accepted request users and rejected users. Okay, so for that thing what we are going to do is we are going to simply create a new page, go to the previous table, copy that, paste it here, save it as ACCEPTED underscore requests dot php. Accepted underscore requests dot php. Requests should be good, not requests. Okay, so let's save it. And the second one should be again control V and make save it as REJECTED underscore REQUEST request. Rejected underscore request dot php. Here all the rejected users will be shown. Okay. Now, basically, what we are going to do is we are just going to update their fields, okay, and fetch their data accordingly. Here, what we are going to do is simply we are going to change the status, okay. So let's move on with accepted. So we will just change this field to ACCEPTED accepted, and all the accepted users will be shown here, and here REJECTED, all the rejected users will be shown here. Okay, now this was a simple changeover. Now what we are going to do is simply we will remove the status field from here. Okay, we will keep it here, but we are going to remove the form. Okay, and we will just print the status, that whether it is accepted or denied. Why we should, why we can't use the button accept instead of deleting the whole field? It will give a nice responsive look, isn't it? So let's change it out, make it as delete, delete this till here, and let's make this statement as dynamic. Print it here. Oh, sorry, I should copy this, print it here, and print as an user underscore status. Oh, looks nice. Now let's delete this, bring it up here. Yeah, now it looks good. We're all set. Let's change same thing on the same rejected page. Oh, I think so. I have done a mistake. DANGER painter. Okay, so I have by mistakenly changed the statement. Here is the accepted field. Let's delete it till here. Paste it here. Yeah, the dynamic status will be shown here. Now make this button as an SUWC success. Now we are good to go. Now what the next step we are going to use is on click of each command, means if the user is accepted we need to show that the user is accepted, and on the click of rejected we need to make the user as an rejected. Basically we are just going to change their user status, okay, and accordingly the data will be fetched. So let's move on to the update field. Now here I'm creating the update field just about where I think so. Let's go here. I show. Or we can update it here also. No need to create the another field. So I'm creating a comment. Make it is update query for to ACCEP accept user, get query to accept user. Okay, let's copy it out. Try to print again and again. Let's print it here. Leave some space. Print it here. Take this command. Query. Okay, that's enough. Make it as rejected. Reject user. Let's start with the accept user query. Space. The same thing we are going to use. That is if statement. And let's print it out here. Control V. Just one single statement. Oh, for that we need to send a, ID that we need to update to. Okay, the ID might be an email or a mobile number. Let's take the email as an ID. Control Z. Let's make it delete. Delete. So I need to send email using this button. So I'm using a, a field that is input. Sorry, inside input tag email. Oh, I forgot to tell you that if you are using an input that might be an email, just make it as an email. So HTML will give basic validations for email field. Okay, so I'm getting here email name as an email, making it as value, printing the echo statement of email here. Control C, Control V, and making this field as hidden because I don't want to show this field to the end user or the one who is going to make these commands. Okay, so this entity is important for us in the next field also. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go. Now what we are going to do is we are going to simply do that query. We are going to close if if accept, if the statement is accepted, assign email to email, then then dollar, then just run the query of updation. Okay, what the updation query is, let's see it out. So let's make it dollar update equals to double quote and make it a semicolon, and inside double quote make the statement update update uh, enter your table name, that is user underscore register. You need to update in this table, so make it as, and we need to set some kind of variables, that is we need to use the statement set, and in this set statement you need to define what kind of changes you want the query to do so. So I will make it as an change user underscore status to single quote accepted. Okay, So I need to change this statement to accepted, from waiting to accepted. Now, where I need to change it? So I need to define it where enter email equals to single quote dollar email. So where this email will match with the email field, the statement will change up there. Okay, so our basic query is ready. So let's try it out. Now what we are going to do is we are going to check the query, assign a query to a result, assign a query to result. Sorry for interruption. Just a second. Abhishek Thambo.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. 1 minute. Saranchi, you write a message. Okay, Abhishek, let's start.
Yeah, yeah.
किती मिनिटावर थांबवलं होतं?
No, no, you can continue. Continue.
Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so what we are going to set is dollar update. Oh, sorry, dollar. Dollar. We'll make it as check check equals to my sqli underscore query bracket sing dollar con comma dollar update semicolon close if statement tab dollar check check, then what I need to do is uh, I need to print or display some kind of exceptions or make it as some kind of notification that whether we have accepted or denied the user. Okay, so let's make the echo statement echo. Oh, why not to use this previous echo statements? So let's make it this one, bring it here and make it as echo. So user accepted, user request accepted, else. Oh, why else? We just need to define if the statement does and user need to accept it. But for exception handling, we need to do it echo. So we need to know what kind of issue might happen. Echo, oh, sorry, not echo, else statement, else single colon, control V, data not updated. Which is, okay. So yeah, we are done with our first query. Okay, of accept. Now we should go with the second query. The query is similar, just one change is there. Control V. Oh, sorry, I have not copied it well. Tab, enter, Control V, and make it as BENY. Vinay, and make it as rejected. Rejected. User request. Same statement. So our query is almost done. Let's check out. First of all, we will go here, check it out here. Yeah, it is accepted and it is rejected. Now let's check it out whether our query works or not. Yeah. So let's make first user as accepted. Oh, data not updated. So some kind of issue is there. Undefined variable con and some kind of issue. So where is con? It is here. So dollar con and here dollar con. So is dollar con here not there? So dollar con is it should be here. Oh, it's my mistake. So I need to fetch it from here, make it at top because the connection was missing. So yeah, we are good to go. Now what I'll do is here, enter, and now we will going to accept. Yeah, user request accepted, and you can see only one user is remaining because our query is we need to fetch all the users which are in waiting list. To view this user, we will take the sidebar, make this as Control Shift B, make it as a double CEPTED underscore user sorry request request.php view view accepted user view waiting user, and the third one is view rejected user. So let's change it to rejected rejected request view accepted request view rejected request. So let's pop it out, refresh, make it as view accepted request. So some kind of URL issue. The URL issue is ACCEPTED underscore request.php. ACCEPTED underscore request.php. REQUEST. Oh, so I'm saving this file somewhere else. I think so. Accepted request is here, rejected request is here. What kind of issue might be here? It is also here. So let's see. Okay, I got that issue. Saved, refresh, back, refresh, make it as accepted request. Yeah, you can see here. So there is one change over there. I need to go here. Accepted action mobile. So some kind of thing is missing. Mobile is shown, name is shown, it is shown. User underscore status. So what is the issue here? I'm just finding out 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, accept it. One, two, three, four. Name is coming, email, mobile, and action field is going out. So why it's happening in action field 4, number 1, 2, 3, 4, TD. Oh, I got the issue. It's twice printed and twice TD is also printed. So here also the same changes might be there. No, here is no changes. So let's check it out. Yeah. So user is accepted and let's see the rejected list. So no user is available here. So we will see the waiting list and make this user as rejected. So you can see the user request rejected and this field is empty and we are going to the rejected list and you can see the user is rejected. So the third part of this session is over. Hope you guys understand the whole workflow as well as user registration system as well as user view system, accept and reject system as well. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. Stop, Abhishek.
Yes.
Stop it. Stop it. Shubham, stop it.